Can't.
Shit, we'll sit in the truck, but what's your ping to the server? Where do you live?
How do I see my ping?
No, where do you live? In Australia.
SA.
Yeah.
Where?
SA.
Yeah, get in. Get into the car.
Is it open? No.
Oh,
Need to
shit.
give me keys. Let me take my mask off.
Oh. Keychain. Did I send you the keys? Yeah, I did.
Yep.
Alright, you ready?
Yes, I want to see you do a combat land with this shit, bro. While I'm in it.
I gotta do a close land, cause you'll take damage if I drop it from where I usually drop it.
Holy shit, you like a beast. Wish I could get this good at flying a heli.
You're an actual god.
God, I feel safe in this truck. Very safe.
Please spin around, truck. Please don't do that shit. Alright. I think we're good. I just need to go like low speeds.
Bro, it's...
Sorry.
Oh, God.
Are you in the driver's seat?
Nah.
Shit. Can you switch to driver's seat? Oh, probably don't. Don't. Or did you?
No, I reckon I can.
No, it might glitch it out. I don't see why you can't get into the heli. Do you not have the Apex to
No, I
yourself?
don't have the pack.
Shit. Wait, so how can you get... Oh, shit. You're dead. You're
No.
dead. You're dead.
What do you mean he's dead?
Oh my...
Oh, I fucking went too fast and he desynced and decoupled it.
Did the truck blow up?
Nah. It shouldn't have. Where was it? There. No, the truck
How
didn't
did you
blow up.
die?
No, it fucking blew up. Fuck's sake.
Uh,
As this is the issue with desyncing, it's because he's in South Australia, he's a distance away from me. There goes my other truck. Fuck, man.
what? Did he just cut off?
I'll hop out and get his shit.
Can you record that? Because you can get comp for that.